Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can gain your seasonal pass XPs without having to actually do the quests. So right now there is the Nutty Fever event. Basically just playing this game, I think, and just submitting plants makes you gain XPs. You can also tell your friends to join you guys so you get the boost. So as you can see, I just got more XPs by like by harvesting my crops. And yeah, I already gained XPs from that, so I don't even need to do the quest. Just do the event right now and you'll gain a lot of XPs, and you're doing two things at once, and you get XPs for the seasonal pass, and you can also trigger the Nutty Fever weather, which I think is pretty neat. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.